Hello guys, in this video we are going to solve exercise 2, class 8th ML Agarwal. The chapter name is Exponents and Power. So here the question 1 says evaluate 3 by 5 to the power minus 2. So the power is minus 2, that means if we write it in simple form it will be get reciprocal and the power will be changed to plus 2. Or you can do is 1 upon 3 upon 5 to the power 2. Then you can solve it 1 upon 3 into 3 upon 5 into 5. So cut this, we will get 1 into, so this is in denominator. When it goes up into multiplication this term is reciprocal. Okay, so it's 5 into 5 upon 3 into 3. So the answer will be 1 into 5 into 5 is 25 and 3 into 3 is 9. So it's the answer. Let's move to the second part of this question. The second part says minus 3 to the power minus 3. So for solving these, first we will write it 1 upon minus 3 to the power 3. Then we will open the bracket, minus 3 into minus 3 into minus 3, which will further be multiplied if minus 3 times minus 3 is equals to 9 into minus 3, which is equals to 1 upon 9 3s are 27. Here it's plus 9 and it's minus, but in multiplication plus minus is equals to minus. So the answer is 1 upon minus 27 or minus 1 upon 27. You can write it like this. So now moving to the third part of this question. Third part says 2 upon 7 to the power minus 4. Here it will be 1 upon 2 upon 7. Okay, or you can quickly do it as 7 upon 2 to the power 4 is the direct step. Then you will multiply it 7 into 7 into 7 into 7 and 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. So here you will write the answer and it's the complete option 1 upon 2 by 7, which will get 1 into 7 upon 2 to the power 4, or you can write it as 1 upon 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 upon 7 into 7 into 7 into 7. Okay, so you can write it any way that you want, that you like. So here further you will multiply these numbers. Let's quickly multiply it. I am solving it this part. So here if we multiply 1 upon 2 to the power 4, 2 to the 4 to the 8 to the 16, and 7 into 7 49 into 7 343 into 7 2401. So after getting this we will reciprocal it in multiplication. So we will get 2401 upon 16, which will further we will write in whole number. Further dividing it we get 150 whole number 1 upon 2401. So it's the correct answer, or you can finish it like this, it's also correct. Okay, let's quickly move to the next question. So the second part says simplify 2 to the power minus 1 4 to the power minus 1 3 to the power minus 1 whole power minus 1. So first we will solve the inner part of this, that is 1 upon 2 plus 1 upon 4 plus 1 upon 3. So the LCM will be 12. 2 6 4 3 3 4 and here's the power minus 1 2. So further we will write it as 6 4 10 13 upon 12 to the power minus 1. So the answer of this will be 12 upon 13. Okay, this is the answer. You can further do one more step, 1 upon 13 upon 12, then it will go like this, 1 into 12 upon 13, which will be equal to 12 upon 13. Okay, so this is the answer. So let's move to the second part of this question. So second part is this. Let's quickly solve it. 4 to the power minus 1 is 1 upon 4 minus 1 upon 5 to the power 2, and it is 1 upon 5 by 8. Okay, let's quickly solve it. First we will solve the brackets. The LCM is 20, and here will be 5, here will be 4 power 2, and it's gonna be 1 into 8 upon 5. Then will be like 1 upon 20 to the power 2 into 8 by 5, which is equals to 1 upon 20 into 20, or you can write it as 1 into 1 upon 20 into 20, and 8 into 5. 4 2s are 8, 4 5s are 20, 2 1s are 2, 2 1s are 2, 2 0s are 0. Done. So here we get 1 into 1 into 1 is 1 upon 5 into 10 50, 50 into 5 250. So it's the answer. Okay, let's quickly move to the next question. So for solving it, 4 to the power 0. Now 4 to the power 0 is 1. Okay, any to the power 0, any number, 2 to the power 0, 1 to the power 0, 3 to the power 0 is equals to 1. Okay, so 4 to the power 0 is 1 plus 4 to the power 2 is 16 minus 2 to the power is 8. 3 to the power minus 2, that means 1 upon 3 to the power 2. I am writing directly 1 upon 3 into 3. So 16 plus 1 is 17 minus 8 into 1 upon 9. Here further solving these, 17 minus 8 is 9 into 1 upon 9. 9 ones are 9, 9 ones are 9. The answer will be 1. 1 into 1 is 1. Okay. So the next part is 5 to the power 2 minus 1 upon 4 to the power minus 2 into 3 by 4 to the power minus 2. So 5 to the power 2 means 5 into 5 minus 1 upon 4 into 1 upon 4, closing it, and 1 upon 3 upon 4 into 3 upon 4. Okay, I am just opening the brackets, just opening the powers, not the brackets. Let's close the brackets and then we solve. So first we will solving this bracket. 5 into 5 is 25 minus 1 upon 1 into 1 is 1, 4 into 4 is 16. Now we will solve this bracket and we will get 1 upon 3 3s are 9, and 4 into 4 is 16. Done. 25, let's simplify it. So after simplifying it, we will get 1 into 16 upon 1, and simplifying this we will get 1 into 16 upon 9. Okay, 25 minus 1 into 16 is 16. First we will multiply BODMAS rule, and then 1 into 16 is 16 upon 9. Okay, So here 25 minus 16 is 9 and is 16 upon 9. So it's totally solved. We will open up the bracket. 9 ones are 9, 9 ones are 9. The answer is 16. Done. Let's move to the next question. So here for solving this question, we will first find out the LCM of each term differently. Okay, just we will find out the factors. So here we will divide 81 times 3 because it do not come in the table of 2. So going to 3, 3 2s are 6, 7, 8, 3 7s are 21, 3 9s are 27, 3 3s are 9 and 3 1s are 3. So it's if then 81 is equals to 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. Okay, so again for 16, 2 2s are 4 and 2 1s are 2. 16 will be equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. So here the base is same, so we can actually write it as 3 to the power 4. Okay, 3 3 3 3. The base is same, the power is 1 1 1 1. So we will write 3 and add these powers. So 1 plus 1 2 plus 1 3 plus 1 4. Okay, similarly for 2 it's 2 to the power 4, and we will replace 81 as 3 to the power 4 and 16 as 2 to the power 4, and here it's minus 3 upon 4. So we will take the powers as common. We can write it as 3 by 2 to the power 4. Okay, we are taking the power as common. So here it gets 3 की power 4 and 2 की power 4. So again writing this power here. So here the powers are in multiplication. We will do like this: 3 by 2, 4 into minus 3 by 4. Okay, so here 4 ones are 4, 4 ones are 4. We get 3 by 2 to the power minus 3, because 1 into minus 3 is minus 3 and its 4 is cancelled out. So now it's very simple to solve it. It's not minus, it's nothing. Solving it like 3 into 3 into 3, 2 into 2 into 2, 1 into 2 to the 2 into 2 into 2, 3 into 3 into 3. Here it will get 2 to the 4 to the 8, 3 3 the 9, 3 the 27. It's the answer. Okay, so quickly moving to the second part. Now solving it quickly, we will get it like 1 upon minus 3 by 2 to the power minus 4, or we can solve it like minus 3 upon 2 and multiplying these two powers. Okay, powers are multiplied. Minus 4 into 1 upon 2, 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4. We will get it like minus 3 upon 2 to the power minus 2. Okay, it's minus 2. Minus 2 into 1, it's minus 2, and upon 1 is 1. So now it's easy to solve. 1 upon minus 3 upon 2 to the power plus 2, and here we will solve it. Minus 3 by 2 into minus 3 by 2. We will get it like 1 upon minus 3 into minus 3 is 9 and 2 into 2 is 4. Okay, so 1 into 4 upon 9 is equals to 4 by 9. So it's the correct answer. So actually guys, the question was asking about multiplicative inverse. So in this video, the question was saying that we have to find the multiplicative inverse of this. So the multiplicative inverse of 4 by 9 is 9 by 4, and in the previous part we will also correct it. The multiplicative inverse of 8 by 27 is 27 upon 8. Okay, so let's quickly move to the next part of this question, that is the third part. So let's quickly solve this question. So here it will be like, first we will do reciprocal 5 into 5 upon 7 into 7. Okay, and it will be like 5 into 5 into 5 into 5 upon 7 into 7 into 7 into 7. So here divide same way, 5 into 5 into 5 upon 7 into 7 into 7. Okay, so after reciprocaling it, we will get 7 into 7 upon 5 into 5 and 5. So here it's divide. When it's get into multiply, the denominator comes to the numerator and numerator goes down to denominator. Okay, just like this. So here we will cut it easily. 5 ones are 5, 5 ones are 5, 5, 2 5 I have cut it here, 2 5 here, 1 5 here, 1 5 here. Now there's no more 5 in numerator. 1 2, 1 2, 3 4, 3 4, done. So what's left? 1 into 1 is 1. We will only 7 is left in numerator. We will write 7, and 5, only 5 is left here, so I'll write 5. But the multiplicative inverse of 7 by 5 is 5 by 7. Okay, so it's the correct answer. So here in this question we have to express 16 to the power minus 2 as a power with base 2. Okay, so we have to express it in the base of 2. So we will write in 2 to the power n, something like this. Okay, so for converting 16 to the base 2, we will have to take the factors of 16. That will be like 16 will be equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 2, that is 2 to the 4 to the 8 to the 16. Okay, now the base is 2 here and the power is 1 1 1 1. Again we could write 16 as 2 to the power 4. Okay, so here 16 to the power minus 2, we will have to write 16 to the power minus 2. First we will write 16 as 2 to the power 4, but to the power minus 2 2. Okay, so here we could get it as 2 to the power 4 times minus 2. The powers are multiplied. Okay, so it's 2 to the power minus 8. Done. It's the answer. So next question is similarly like that. We have to express 125 as the power in terms of base 5. So let's quickly find the factors. 5 to the 10, 5 5s are 5 5s are 5 1s are. Okay, so here 125 could be written as 5 into 5 into 5. Okay, or we can write 125 as 5 to the power 3. Done. Now we have to write 125 to the power 4. So we can write 125 equal to 5 to the power 3 and to the power 4 to the power minus 4. Done. Now further we will multiply the powers. 5 to the power 3 into minus 4, which will be 4 3s are 12. It's simple calculation. 4 into 3 is 12, and the sign will be of minus because 3 is positive and 4 is negative, so plus minus is minus. Done. So the question is like this. We have to simplify and write in an exponential form with positive exponent. Okay, we have to write it in positive terms of power. So first we have to write it as 2 into minus 1 will multiply these power, and then we will get it like 5 to the power minus 2. 2 into minus 1 is minus 2, and then minus 3. Now further writing it as 2 minus 2 into minus 3, we will get like, okay, so after multiplying these power we will get minus 3 into 2 is 6. Done. Minus 3 minus minus plus, multiplication in positive. Solving the next part of this question, we will write it as 2 into 2 upon 7 into 7 into, reverse it and expand it, and then solving the bracket, reverse it and expand it, the power minus 4. First we will solve this. So here the base is same, that is 2. We will add the powers 5 upon 7 to the power 5 plus it will be like 7 into 7 upon 5 into 5 whole to the power 4. Okay, so 2 to the power 5 upon 7 to the power 5 plus, we will, let's write it as 7 by 5 whole to the power 2 to the power 4. 2 by 5 upon 7 by 5 plus, now powers are multiplied, 4 to the 8 whole to the power 8. 2 to the power 5 upon 7 to the power 5, or we could write it as 2 by 7 to the power 5 plus 5 by 7 to the power minus 8. Okay, so here we have done a little mistake, it's not plus, it's divide. Okay, so let's make it divide from the beginning. Now here when it is in divide, let's write it in simple powers, divided by 7 by 5 to the power 8. Further we will open it up, 2 into 2 into 5 to the power 8 and 7 to the power 8. Now solving it, here it will be 2 to the power 5 into 5 to the power 8 upon 7 to the power 13 is the correct answer. So moving to the next question, that is 4 by 5. Let's quickly solve it without wasting any time. Let's just quickly expand it, divided by 2 by 5 to the power plus 3. Okay, now 5 5 5 5, 2 ones are 2 twos are 2 ones are 2 ones are. Here we will write 4 as 2 to the power 2 into 5 to the power 4 upon 1, divide by this term, 2 into 2 into 2 upon 5 into 5 into 5, 2 into 2 into 5 into 5 into 5 into 5, multiply by 5 into 5 into 5 upon 2 into 2 into 2. So here 2 ones are 2 ones are 2 ones are 2 ones are, and now we will get the answer like 5 to the power 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, 7 upon 2 to the power 1 is the answer. Okay, so quickly solving the fourth part of this question, we will write 1 upon 8 into 5 into 5 into 5 upon 1 upon 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. Okay, so let's quickly solve it. 1 upon 8 into 5 into 5 into 5 into 5 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 upon 1. Done. 2 ones are 2 fours are 2 ones are 2 twos are 2 ones are 2 ones are. We will get the answer as 5 to the power 4 into 2. Done. So here's a little mistake, it's 5 to the power 3. Okay, it's not 5 to the power 4, it's 5 to the power 3, because here are only 3 5. So now solving the question number 6 of this exercise, it will be power will be multiplied minus 2 whole to the power 3 to the 6 plus 5 to the power minus 3 divided by 5 to the power minus 5 minus this will be written as 1. Okay, so now we will write it as it's whole to the power 6, so we can write it as 2 to the power 6. Okay, plus we will solve it first, BODMAS rule. So it will be 1 upon 5 to the power 3 and into 5 to the power 5, 1 upon 5 to the power minus 5 minus 1 2 to the power 6 plus 1 upon 5 to the power 3 into it's going reciprocal, let's write its reciprocal, it will go upward. Okay, now 2 to the power 6 plus 5 to the power 5 minus 3 minus 1 2 to the power 6 plus 5 to the power 2 minus 1 2 to the power 6 plus 24, it will be 25 minus 1 2 to the power 6 plus 24. Let's write the LCM of 24. 2 ones are 2 twos are 2 six are 2 threes are 3 ones are. Okay, so here after taking the LCM we will write it as 2 to the power 6 plus 2 to the power 3 into 3. 24 is 2 to the power 3 into 3. Now taking 2 to the power 3 common, we will get 2 to the power 3 plus 3. Here 2 to the power 3 into 2 to the power 3 is 8 plus 3, 2 to the power 3 into 8 plus 3 is 11. Done. Okay, let's quickly move to the next question. So for solving this question, let's simply write it as 1 by 3 to the power 5. Okay, let's do it in different way. 3 to the power 5, 3 to the power 2 multiplied by 1 upon 3 to the power minus 6 plus 2 to the power 4 into 3 to the power 2. The power is multiplied with both. Okay, 2 twos are 4 and 3 2 ones are 2. Okay, 3 by 2 plus 1 upon 2 plus 19. Now quickly solve this. 3 to the power minus 5 into 3 to the power 2 into 3 to the power 6 plus 2 to the power 4 into 3 to the power 2 plus, take the LCM, 2, 3 plus 1 plus 19 or we'll take it as LCM, it's 2, 19 to the 38. So base are same, power will be added, minus 5 plus 2 plus 6 plus 2 to the power 4 into 3 to the power 2 plus 3 1 4 38 plus 4 is 42 upon 2, that is 21. 6 to 8, 8 minus 5 is 3. 3 into 7. We can take 3 as common. We will get 3 to the power 2 plus 3 to the power 2 plus 2 to the power 4 into 3. Okay, we are taking 3 as common, so it will be 2 to the power 4 into 3. Now quickly adding the 16 3s are 48 plus 7, it will be just like 3 times 64. Okay, 9 plus 7 is 9 plus 7 is 16 plus 48 is equal to 64. Now taking the factors of 64, and now here it's, we can write it as 2 to the power 6 into 3 to the power 1. Okay, is the correct answer. So the next question is, express it in negative exponents. So first we will quickly solve it. It's 4 to the power 3, so it will be equal to 1 upon 4 to the power minus 3, or we can write it as 1 by 4 whole to the power minus 3. Okay, it's expressed in negative exponent. So it will be written as 3 by 7 minus 3 into minus 2 into minus 3 is plus 6. Okay, so we could write it in negative power, we could write it as 1 upon 3 by 7 to the power minus 6, and then we could write it as 1 into 7 upon 3 to the power minus 6. Okay, so our main answer will be 7 upon 3 to the power minus 6. So for solving the next question, let's write it as 9 into 9 upon 5 into 5, 5 into 5 upon 3 into 3. It will change to multiply and it will go like this: 5 5 5 5, 3 1s are 3 3s are 3 1s are 3 3s are 3 into 3 into 5 to the power minus 2 is 1 upon 5 into 5. Okay, so it will be written as 3 by 5 to the power 2, or We could write it as 5 by 3 to the power minus 2 is the solution. Let's go to the next part. So let's quickly solve this. It's 5 to the power 4. Let's solve it. We can take this part as common, so you'll get it like 5 square upon 3 square bracket, this is remaining 25 upon 9 plus 1 like this. It's 34. Now let's open up the bracket. First we'll write 2 to the power minus 1 as 1 upon 2. And changing this to multiply like this. 17 ones are 17 twos are 9 ones are 9 ones are 5 square upon 3 square 2 ones are 2 ones are, so we'll get the answer as 5 by 3 whole to the power 2, but we have to find it at negative exponent, so it will be 3 by 5 whole to the power minus 2. Done. Now solving the last part of this question. Minus 7 whole to the power 9 divide by 1 upon minus 7 whole to the power 10. 1 2 3, it's minus 7 whole to the power 9 10 11 12 upon minus 7 whole to the power 10. We could write it as minus 10. Okay, it's in remainder, so it will go upward and power will be negative and the base is same, so now we will subtract it. It's 2. It's the answer, but in negative exponent we will represent it as 1 upon minus 7 whole to the power minus 2. It's the answer. Or you can write it as 1 upon minus 7 whole to the power 2. Okay, minus 2. Just like this. Let's move to question number 8, that is simplify. Now we will have to solve it. 7 is written as 7 to the power 2. 49 is written as 7 to the power 2 z to the power minus 3 upon 7 to the power minus 3 into 10 into 7 to the power minus 5. So here let's move these denominator terms upward. We will get it like 7 to the power minus 3 will be 7 to the power plus 3 into 10 to the power minus 1 into z to the power plus 5. Okay, z to the power plus 5. Now here 7, 7. Bases are same, we will add these powers into z, z. Bases are same, we will add these powers into this is remaining. Let's write it as 10 to the power minus 1. It will be 7 to the power 5 into z to the power 2 into 10 to the power minus 1. So it's minus 1, we will write it again in denominator, we will get it as 7 to the power 5 into z to the power 2 upon 10 is the answer. So let's quickly solve this. It will be written as 9 will be written as 3 to the power 2 into 27. 27 we could write it as 3 to the power 3 into t to the power 4 upon 3 to the power 2 into 3 to the power 4 into t to the power 2. Now these power will be multiplied. 3 to the power 6 into 3 to the power 3 into t to the power 4, and getting the denominators upward we will get it as 3 to the power minus 2 into 3 to the power minus 4 into t to the power minus 4. Okay, we will simply write the denominators in negative powers while going to numerators. Now 3, 3, 3, 3. We will take the same base and add up the powers. 6 plus 3, plus minus is minus, so minus 2, and then plus minus is minus, so minus 4. Again for t terms 1, 2, there are only 2 t terms, we will write it as t to the power 4 minus 2. 6, 3, 9, 9 minus 2 is 7, 7 minus 4 is 3, t to the power 2. Okay, now in negative, okay, we have to just simply simplify this, so it's the answer. Okay, done. Or we can write it 3 to the power 3 as 27 t square. Okay, done. These questions are very simple if you understand it. You have to first multiply the powers. Okay, let's multiply. Minus 2 into plus 2 is minus 4. 2 into minus 3 is minus 6, and this 3 into minus 3 into 2 is minus 6 again. Now let's quickly write it as 3 to the power minus 10, 5 to the power minus 10, and t to the power minus 12. Okay, now taking these denominators upward, we will change the sign of every power. Okay, these are negative, we will do it positive. So let's quickly write first the above terms that are already written there, and then it will be 3 to the power plus 10, 5 to the power plus 10, and t to the power plus 12. Done. It's nothing. Okay, 12, t to the power plus 12. Watch the base, add up the powers. 5 to the power minus 6, 5 to the power plus 10. Done. T to the power minus 6, t to the power plus 12. So here it's plus 12. Now we quickly solve it. It will be 3 to the power 6, 5 to the power 4, t to the power 6. Okay, so here I have done a little mistake. If you have, watch it. 3 into minus 2 is minus 6, not 10. It's minus 6. Okay, so if it goes upward, it will be like 5 to the power plus 6, and here it will be 5 to the power plus 6, minus 6 and plus 6 will be 0, so 5 to the power 0, and the answer will be like 3 to the power 6 into t to the power 6. Okay, let's quickly move to the next part, that is fourth and the last part of this question. So let's quickly solve the last part. 2 to the power minus 5 into it, we could write it as 3 to the power minus 5 into 5, 3 to the power, yes, 3 to the power minus 5. Okay, let's simply explain. 3 into 5 is 15 to the power minus 5. Okay, and 5 into 10 into 10 is 500. 5 to the power minus 6 into 6 to the power minus 5, to the power minus 5 into, now it's 3 to the power minus 5 into 5 to the power minus 5 into 5 into, now we can also break it as 5 into 2 into 5 into 2. Okay, here 5 to the power minus 6 into 2 into 3 whole to the power minus 5. Okay, we have divided 6 into 2 parts, 2 into 3 is 6. Done. Let's quickly solve it. One, 2, 3, 5 to the power 3, 1, 2, 2 to the power 2. Okay, 5 to the power minus 6 into 2 to the power minus 5 into 3 to the power minus 5. Okay, go to the power minus 5 and here it's 2, so solving these two into 3 to the power minus 5 into 5 to the power minus 5 plus 3. Now writing the denominators as numerator 5 to the power plus 6, 2 to the power plus 5, 3 to the power plus 5. Okay, now again solving it. 2 to the power, it's like minus 3, and then it's 2 to the power plus 5, so here adding it as 2 to the power plus 5. These two are solved. Now taking 3 powers, 3 to the power minus 5, 3 to the power plus 5, and write it as 3 to the power minus 5 plus 5 into, it's 5 to the power minus 2. Now 5 to the power plus 6 is, solving these two we will get like 2 to the power 2, 3 to the power 0 is 1, neglecting it, 5 to the power 4. That's the answer. Okay, done. Or you can expand it as 2500. Okay, that's the main answer. We are done. So the question number 9 says, by what number should itna be divided to get this? Should this number be divided by what number? Let it be divided by x to get 2 by 3 whole to the power 2. Let's quickly write it as minus 2 by 3 whole to the power plus 3. We will change it at 1 upon x. So now here if we transfer x to right hand side, it will go in multiplication like this, and now we will write this part on left hand side and this part on right hand side. Simply we just do like we just transfer the term of x in left hand side. Okay, so it will be easy to understand for us. So now the x term is on left hand side and the constant terms is on right hand side. So x is equals to minus 2 by 3 into 3 by 2 whole to the power 2. Solving it, minus 2. Two ones are two ones are two ones are two ones are. Always it's minus 1 power. 3 ones are 3 ones are 3 ones are 3 ones are. Now the answer is minus 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 is plus, and then plus minus and 1 is minus. It's minus 2. So x is equals to minus 2 is the answer. Okay. I have missed 3 here. Okay. So upon 3, x is equals to minus 3 upon 3 is the correct answer. Okay, it's the final one. So the question number 10 says find the value of m. 9 to the power m divided by 3 to the power minus 2 is equals to 9 to the power 4. Let's simply write it to the base of 3 to the power 2 m, cause 9 we can write 9 as 3 to the power 2 divided by 3 to the power minus 2 is equals to 3 to the power 2 to the power 4. So powers are in multiplication. 2m divided by 3 to the power minus 2 is equals to 3 to the power 4 to the 8, and then 3 to the power 2m multiplied by 3 to the power 2, it will be like this. Okay, you can solve it. 3 to the power 2m plus 2, base is same, power is added, 2m plus 2 is equals to 3 to the power 8. Now 3 to the power base is same, so the powers are always equal. Just like if it's, I am giving an example, if it's 2 to the power 2 and 2 to the power 2, just like this. Okay, base is same, so powers are also same. It will be 4 to the power 4. Okay, 4 equal to 4. Okay, it's just an example to understand it. So 2m plus 2 will be equal to 8, and then 2m is equals to 8 minus 2 is equals to 6. 2m is equals to 6, m is equals to 6 by 2, that is equal to 3. 3 is the correct answer. So in the book the answer is given as 6. Okay, so but the correct answer is 3. The value of m is 3. Okay, in the book it's given it wrong. So let's quickly move to the next part. So now let's quickly solve it and find the value of x. Find the value also here, it's x. Okay, let's quickly solve it. So the base is same, we will add up the powers. Minus 4 plus 12 minus 5 upon 7 to the power 3x, or we can remove this bracket now, into minus 5 upon 7 to the power minus 1. So here it will be like minus 5 upon 7 whole to the power minus 4 plus 12 is 8, equal to minus 5 upon 7. This base total, I am considering total number minus 5 upon 7. Okay, total number as one constant digit. So here the power will be 3x minus 1. Okay, so this is base. Our total, this minus 5 upon 7 is base, and these are the powers, so powers will be added up. Now this base and this, okay, this whole base, minus 5 upon 7 is here, minus 5 upon 7 is also here, so the powers will be equal. 8 equal to 3x minus 1, so we could write it as 3x minus 1 is equals to 8, 3x is equals to 9, x is equals to 9 by 3, which will be equal to 3. Right, that's the answer. Okay, 3 is the answer for question number 11. So similarly there is question number 12, where we also have to find the value of x. Okay, let's quickly solve it. let's equal up the base first. So here it will be, now reciprocating it, the power will be changed, the sign of power will be changed. Okay, it's positive here, then it will become negative, and just writing other terms similar to the question. Now let's add up the powers, as it's minus 2 upon 3, it's also minus 2 upon 3, so minus 13 minus 8. We will not change the sign of power, okay, we will put it as it is, minus 2 upon 3 whole to the power minus 2x plus 1. Now quickly solving it, minus 2 upon 3 and minus 13 plus 8 is 13 plus 10 is 23, 8 is 21. So here the bases are same, so minus 21 will be equal to minus 2x plus 1, right? Now we will totally move it to the left hand side and move minus 21 on right hand side. Simple. 2x is equals to minus 21 minus 1, transferring this one on right hand side. Oh sorry, it's minus 1 not minus 21, minus 22. X is equals to minus 22 upon minus 2, minus minus cancel out, 2 1s are 2 11s are, the value is 11. Okay, done. Let's move to the 13th, the last question of this exercise. So let's quickly solve this question. I hope you guys are understanding my videos. 5 to the power 3, 5 5 is 25, 25 times 3. Okay, it's plus 2, okay, not minus 2. Base is same, powers are equal, transferring minus 3x here and plus 1 on this side. 2x plus 3x will be equal to 9 plus 1, 5x equal to 10, x is equals to 2. Done. Let's quickly move to the second part of this question. That will be the last part of this exercise. 27 whole to the power 3 upon 3 into 81 whole to the power 4 equal 27. We will write 3 to the power 2n into 3 to the power 5 into 3 to the power 3 whole to the power 3, 3 3 3 3 3. Okay, 3 to the power 4 whole to the power 4 equal to 3 to the power 3. Done. Let's quickly solve it up. 3 to the power 2n into 3 to the power 5 into 3 to the power 9 upon 3 into 3 to the power 16 is equals to 3 to the power 3. Many 3's are there. 3 to the power 2n plus 5 plus 9 upon 3 to the power 1 plus 16, 3 to the power 3. Now 3 to the power 2n plus 5 plus 9, 5 plus 9 is 14 into 3 to the power, I am transferring it upward, so it's 16 plus 1 is 17, but minus 17 cause is transfer from denominator to the numerator. 3 to the power 2n plus 14 minus 17 will be equal to 3 to the power 3, and solving it here. Okay, so it's the question now. Let's solve it here. 3 to the power 2n plus 14 minus 17 is what is 14 minus 17? I'm getting confused. 14, 15, 16, 17, 3. Okay, it will be of minus 3. Let's clearly write it. 2n minus 3, okay, equal to 3 to the power 3. 2n minus 3 is equals to 3. 2n is equals to 3 plus 3. 2n is equals to 6. N is equals to 6 by 2 is equals to 3. Okay, and the value of n is 3, and it's done. The exercise is over. Okay, or is there any more question? No, it's done. Totally fine. Thanks for watching.